Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at some subtraction problems. First, let's look at this problem, 13 minus 8. Just look at the 13 right now. In class we use some multi-link cubes, but today we're going to look at pretzel sticks as our 10 and raisins as our 1s. 1, 2, 3. So there's 13. Now we are taking 13 and we need to subtract away 8. Now can you take 8 away from the 1s? No, there's not enough 1s, so we can't take 8 away from the 1s. But we can take 8 away from this 10. Okay, in order to take 8 away from this 10, what is 10 minus 8? 10 minus 8 is 2. So we no longer have a 10. We've got 2. We took 8 away from the 10, leaving us with 2 1s. Well, it doesn't change our 3 1s that were already here. So 13 minus 8 is 5, because 2 and 3 is 5. Let's look at what we just did with number bonds. So we've got our 13 and we've got 8. We can't take 8 away from the 1s group. So let's look at 13 broken into 10 and 1s. Okay, so we're going to take 8 away from the 10, leaving us with 2. And then we combine the 1s that are left with the 1s we already had, and that leaves us with 5. Let's look at another one. All right, let's look at 15 minus 7. Now, can we take 7 away from 5? We can't take 7 away from the 5 1s we have, so we need to take 7 away from our 10. So what is 10 minus 7? This is where y'all having those facts memorized is really going to help. 10 minus 7 is 3. So now we have the 7 away from the 10, leaves us with 3 1s, and then we already had 5 1s that we didn't even mess with. So 5 plus 3 is what? 5 plus 3 is, you should just know that one, it is 8. All right, I'm going to show you a different way that you can think about these problems. All right, let's look at 13 minus 7 in a totally different way. First, let's see what we need to subtract from 13 to get it down to just 10. We would need to subtract 3 away to get it down to just 10. So let's do that. What's left in the 7 if we take 3 away from 13? It would be 4. Then 10, that's all you have left over here, is 10 minus the 4, and you should just know that what is the number bond, the fact family? 10 minus 4 is 6, because 6 and 4 is 10. Okay, let's do it with 15 minus 8 in this other way. We don't even need these. 15 minus 8. Well, what do we have to take away from 15 to bring it down to 10? 15 is made up of a 10 and a 5. So let's take 5 from here and subtract it away. Bink. So now we only have left here is 10. Well, this was a 5 and a 3. So we subtracted the 5 out. It left us with 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. It gets it down to a problem that you can work in your head. 10 minus 3, you know that 7 and 3 is 10. Okay, we'll look at this new way one more time. 14 minus 9. 14, let's break it into 10s and 1s, is a 10 and a 4. Well, what does 9 break into that includes a 4? 9 is made up of a 4 and a 5. So let's use this 4 and go, okay, in order to get this 14 down to a 10, you have to take 4 out of this 9. So we'll subtract these away. Now what is 10 minus 5? 5. Again, you're just learning little tips and tricks to help subtraction and addition become easier and easier.